Grants Pen, Jamaica, St. Andrew, hot again. 3 shot, 2 fatal.
Hello, my name is Jahshii and welcome to Deep Roots TV.
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure to tune in the air every time.
Greetings in the name of the Most High, Emperor Haile Selassie I the First. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari soldier. Bless, no curse. Thank you for tuning in to Deep Roots TV. If it's your first time tuning in, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Follow me on TikTok. Ladies and gentlemen, the place really get hot. 3 get gunshot, 2 fatal. Oh no, know what? Just a day after the killing of a man who is said to be the brother of a dancehall entertainer, Jahshii in Grand Spence, St. Anne's, 3 have been shot. 2 have been hit fatally in the same community. Oh no, what a guan, pan, what a guan. Somebody have to ball, somebody have to bleed, somebody have to lay down and can't breathe. On Sunday, 3 men were shot at a construction site on Shortwood Lane in the area about 3 p.m. middle day. Preliminary information is that the victims were working on a site when men on foot armed with gun opened fire, hitting 3 men. 2 died on spot, while 1 was taken to the hospital for treatment. The attackers escaped in a waiting motorcar, which police is responding to the attack. Later spotted the Richmond Park area of St. Anne's, where a shootout ensued. The car that was being pursued ended up crashing and was abandoned by the occupants, who made good on their escape, leaving firearms behind. A day before, on Saturday morning, the brother of Jahshii was shot and killed. Gunmen also surprise attack at their store. Reports are the entertainer brother was at home with a group of armed men went to the location. Sources from the area report that minutes later, several explosions were heard. The police were called to the area. The body of the victim was found. The incident following another in July of this year, when the motor vehicle of the dancehall artist Jahshii was reportedly traveling and was attacked by armed men on Constant Spring Road, also in St. Andrew. 6 males, all reportedly members of the entertainer entourage, were shot and injured in the incident, but the entertainer escaped injury. Him did a drive in a different car. Him deal with the okie doke. Jahshii has been heavily in the news outside of the music scene. His name emerged in relation to the ongoing murder investigation in June. The police expressed an interest in speaking to Jahshii. The bonfire DJ was believed to be could have helped the investigation into the death of the 47-year-old businessman Omar Romy Wright in Grand Spence in June of this year. In response, Jahshii turned himself into the Constant Spring Police in the company of his attorney Peter Champagne and Richard Lynch. He was questioned by investigation and released by the police in relation to the June 7th murder. We all know that this is reprisal. Jahshii, your life is looking trashy. I'm explaining, ladies and gentlemen. Grand Spence, St. Andrew, it hotter than the devil fireside right now. SOE is needed, state of emergency, because more people will be bleeding. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari soldier here of Deep Roots TV, reporting live from the studio. 3 shot in Grand Spence, 2 fatal. Them roll up in a 1 car, park it out at the street, and take the footings and wet up the place like a sprinkler. Ladies and gentlemen, subscribe, like, and share to the channel. Roll over to TikTok and don't flip-flop and follow the Rastaman. Remember that I'm more life, I'm more joy, and I'm more in happiness. I'm a pray. These people here are pray for make duppy. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm more life. It's Rastafari soldier. Subscribe to the channel. Help build up the Rastaman panel. Let him go.
This is start speaking. Big up Deep Root, the top boss, the peanut boss. One big up Carwell,
Want me go up everybody, my friend them, me linky them. Big up yourself, Greg. There, you see it. Peanut man, the boss. Up there.
Deep Roots TV.
TV.
Real
Deep
TV.
Root TV. Big up yourself.
You just remember to go over TikTok and follow the Rastaman channel. Deep Roots TV. Yeah. I saw the thing go. Me have one over X, a Deep Roots TV one. But I've been so totally consumed, ladies and gentlemen, by this channel. Yeah. I'm more life and more joy. Subscribe to the Rastaman channel. Them a wet up grand spend wicked. Black rain a fall.